Welcome to AI in 60 seconds. In today's video, we're diving into MLOps, the framework that bridges the gap between data science and IT operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to build, deploy, and manage machine learning models at scale. Let's get started. MLOps is a set of best practices for managing the lifecycle of machine learning models, from development to deployment and maintenance. Think of it as DevOps for machine learning. The ML lifecycle includes data, model development, deployment, monitoring, and retraining. So why MLOps? Well, it enables faster deployment, better model accuracy, scalability, and reduced operational costs. Let's break down the typical MLOps architecture. It consists of three main stages: development, deployment, and monitoring. Development involves data engineering, feature engineering, model training, and validation. Next, deployment includes continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD pipelines, and model serving in production. Finally, monitoring covers performance monitoring, model drift detection, and retraining the model. Step 1 in any MLOps pipeline is data engineering. You need to collect, clean, and pre-process the data before training your models. Some of the tools you might use are Apache Airflow, Prefect, Pandas, and Spark. For example, you could set up an ETL, extract, transform, load pipeline. Once you have clean data, the next step is model development. This includes selecting the right algorithms, training the model, and evaluating its performance. Now comes the critical part: continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD for machine learning. Your model is ready. It's time to deploy it in a production environment using Docker and Kubernetes. Once deployed, you need to monitor the model for performance, latency, and errors. This is where monitoring and logging come in. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and Evidently AI can be incredibly useful. Make sure to set up alerts for performance degradation and model drift. Finally, as your data changes, your model will need to be retrained to maintain accuracy. Automate this with a retraining pipeline. For example, you can set up periodic retraining based on new data. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices. 1. Automate everything: data pipelines, CI/CD, and monitoring. 2. Use version control for data, code, and models. And 3. Collaborate closely with DevOps and data engineering teams. That's your complete guide to MLOps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more cutting-edge videos. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. See you in the next video.